Stefan and Yannick work as electricians. Both use diagonal cutters and screwdrivers. While Stefan's large tool bag is also filled with several pairs of pliers, Yannick manages with just one extra pair of pliers, the Knipex installation pliers. These installation pliers are based on cable shears. The electrician uses these to effortlessly and accurately cut various types of cable without crushing or fraying them, both highly flexible stranded wire cable as well as solid conductor cables. Cables cut to length must be stripped. An experienced electrician carefully deploys cable cutters to remove the cable sheathing. Single conductors are stripped using the precise stripping holes. There is no contact with or damage to the conductor in this process. End sleeves must be mounted to connect flexible wiring. After removing the cable insulation using the stripping holes, the end sleeve is attached and reliably crimped onto the strands of the cable in the universal crimp die. The serrated pipe grip is used for transverse gripping and moving of parts. The serrated straight area of the gripping jaws grips materials tightly and without slippage in a longitudinal direction. The head of the installation pliers has clear-cut outside edges. These are used, for example, for piercing, deburring, and expanding openings in molded fittings. The edges of the pliers head are also used for a number of other scraping and cleaning operations, for which very often no suitable tool is at hand.
Introducing Porter Cable's latest addition to their oscillating multi-tool line, the PCE 605. This new tool has features such as its tool-free system blade change, performance, new depth and cutting guide, ergonomics, and value that will make cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding fast and easy. The main feature that sets the Porter Cable oscillating multi-tool above the rest is the patent-pending tool-free system blade change. This feature allows users to easily adjust or change the position of any accessory to best complete the job. First, performance of the new Porter Cable corded oscillating multi-tool has been increased with the help of a 3-amp motor and 10 to 22,000 oscillations per minute. This gives the user the power to tackle the job at hand. A new depth and cutting guide accessory has 2 functions that help the user control the oscillating multi-tool to make more accurate cuts. In the depth position, the guide can be adjusted to only allow the blade to plunge to a certain depth of material, such as cutting baseboard while keeping the sheetrock intact on the other side. In addition to the depth position, this accessory can be used in the cutting position to help keep a straight and even line while making longer cuts in wood or sheetrock.
This is the new DeWalt DCH274P2 SDS brushless drill. Now it's a 3-mode drill and the modes are down here, so it's easily changeable between them. On mode 1, which is just standard drill, they supply a normal twist lock chuck. This is removable and you can then replace it with the SDS style chuck. To change into mode 2, so it works as an SDS drill, and then finally round to mode 3, so it works as a chipping hammer with the correct bit used. So back in SDS mode, it's a mega powerful brushless motor which is powered by the XR range of batteries, the 5 amp hour ones, so you've got lots of runtime there. The tool itself is very easy to use. You have the twist lock handle, flip from side to side, trigger to get it going, and then forward and reverse. It's just hidden away here so you don't accidentally bump into it. The main thing to note about it though is it's got so much power but still offers the lowest vibration in its class. And you can see the dampers working here as I use it. Just pop my specs on.
The cordless knife and tool sharpener from Smith's makes it easy to sharpen a wide variety of knives and tools. This sharpener uses abrasive belts, available in coarse, medium, and fine grits. The belts are easy to install. To install or remove a belt, push the top pulley down until it locks into the lower position. Place the belt on all 4 pulleys and make sure the belt is centered on each pulley. Then push the yellow button to lock the belt in place. The sharpener also features floating metal plates behind the belts that prevent the tip of your knife from getting rounded during sharpening. The removable knife and scissors guide features adjustable angles for any style of knife. To adjust the angle, slide the adjustment lever up or down to the desired angle. The manual slot is used for serrated blades or for light honing and touch-up. The knife and scissors guide can be removed for sharpening other tools such as shovels, hedge trimmers, axes, machetes, mower blades, and much more. The head of the sharpener can be rotated to the angle that works best for you. To rotate the head of the sharpener, push the button on the front of the unit and turn the head to the desired setting. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery gives you the ability to use the sharpener just about anywhere. If you're sharpening without a vise, use extreme caution and hold the tool securely as you sharpen.